Welcome. This is a somatic practice based on chapter 33 of Tanya. It's entitled Joy in Unity. Sit or stand where you feel supported. Let your feet meet the ground. Soften your jaw and shoulders. Exhale fully, then take 3 gentle breaths, longer out than in. Sense 3 contact points, such as your feet, your seat, and your back or your spine. 3 contact points. My feet, my seat, my back. I'm safe enough to notice. If you'd like, you can put your hand over your heart. Say, my neshama elokit, my core, is a spark of God. My core, my soul, is a spark of God, of the Creator. Inhale, draw light into the chest. Exhale, let it spread through your ribs and your shoulders. Inhale, light into the chest. Exhale, spread that light through your ribs and shoulders. Imagine a soft current of divine speech enlivening everything here, including your body. Divine speech, which is creating the world in this moment. And quietly say to yourself, Ein od milvado. There is nothing beside him. Ein od milvado. There is nothing beside him. Notice even a small warmth or ease in your chest or belly, and let that be enough. Next, you can put your palm to your forehead, which stands for Chachma, wisdom. Take in one breath. A palm to your heart, which stands for will, ratzon, and take in one breath. So a palm to your forehead for wisdom, a palm to your chest, to your heart, stands for ratzon or will, and set an intention. Through Torah and God's commandments, I unite with the Creator's wisdom and will. Through the Torah commandments, the learning and the practice, I'm connected to the will and wisdom of God, the Creator. Sense your body, which is a mikdash me'at, a little sanctuary. And then with a small smile, inhale, I rejoice in closeness, connecting and being close to God. Exhale, I give Hashem, the Creator, joy. Yismach Hashem b'ma'asav. Hashem is joyous in his works. Me as the creation of God, when I do God's will and wisdom. Let joy take a bodily form. Notice warmth in your sternum, lengthen your spine, and lightness in your face. Now ask yourself, what small action today will make a dwelling place for God, for Him here in this physical world? Picture doing it. Seal that image with a steady exhalation, bringing it down into your visualization and your sensations into practice. Next, we're going to exhale completely. Feel your feet. Whisper, Neshama Elokit, my godly soul. Inhale, Ein Od Milvado. There is no one else beside him. And set your mouth in a micro smile. Soften your shoulders. And continue with your day. Thank you for joining me.